A very good morning to all. I am Abhijit Kaur Saharan. My dear students, before the starting of AV assignment, we are taking a pledge. You may speak with me in loud voice. Let's start the pledge. I am Abhijit Kaur, commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors. To always wear a mask or face cover, especially when in public places. To maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others. To wash our hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together, we will win this fight against COVID-19. After the taking of pledge, now we are doing English 1, chapter number 3, A, am, and the. Today we are doing part B, read the story and fill in the blanks with a or am. I have already cleared the concept of a or an in the previous AV. Okay? Today I have repeated again. A word is used with consonant term. Am is used with vowel letter. Consonant term are those terms which are not vowel letter. Okay? Consonants वो लेटर है आपके लिए जो vowel नहीं है. Vowel के साथ आपने क्या लगाना है? Am. With vowel letter you used am. आपके पास 5 vowel letters हैं. A, E, I, O, U. With these letters you may go with am. Others are consonant letter, then you may go with a. Okay? We will start our topic, a talking parrot. Yesterday was dash sunny day. Beginning letter of sunny is S. S is a consonant. Write A. A sunny day. My father took me to the zoo. We carried dash bag. Beginning of letter bag is B. B is a consonant. With the consonant what we have write? A. Write a bag. In the bag we carried dash apple. Beginning of letter apple is a. A is a vowel letter. With the vowel letter what we have write? An. Right here an. An apple dash orange. Beginning of letter of orange is O. O is a vowel letter. With the vowel letter what we have write? An. Right here an orange dash bunch of bananas. Beginning of letter of bunch is B. B is a consonant. With the consonant what we have write? A. Write a bunch of bananas. Some grapes and dash fruit cake. Beginning of letter fruit is F. F is a consonant. With the consonant what we have write? A. Write a fruit cake. In the next paragraph, at the zoo I saw 3 elephants eating grass in dash big shed. Beginning letter of big is B. B is a consonant. With consonant, what do we have right? A big shed. After that, we watched dash monkey swinging from one branch to another. Beginning letter of monkey is M. M is a consonant. With the consonant, what we have right? A monkey. It was having dash lot of fun. Beginning letter of lot is L. L is a consonant. Then with the consonant, what we have right? A lot of fun. In the next para, there were many birds at the zoo. We saw dash owl. Beginning letter of owl is O. O is a vowel letter. With the vowel letter, we write an. Right here, an owl. It had big eyes, dash green parrot. Beginning letter of green is G. G is a consonant. With the consonant, we write it A. Right here, a green parrot was talking to dash old man. Beginning letter of old is O. O is a vowel letter. With the vowel letter, we write it an. Right here, an old man who was standing near its case. In the second last para, there was dash large bird nearby. Then beginning letter of large is L. L is a consonant. Then with consonant, we write it A large bird nearby. My father told me it was dash ostrich. Beginning letter of ostrich is O. With O, what we have right? An. Why we write it? Because it's a vowel letter. With the vowel letter, we write it an. Right here, an ostrich. It had just laid dash egg. Beginning letter of egg is E. E is a vowel letter. With vowel letter, we write it an. Right here, an egg. The egg was very big in size. The last para, we heard the parrot telling the old man, hello. What dash big bird? Beginning letter of big is consonant. And with the consonant, what we have right? A big bird. That is what? Dash big egg. That is. Beginning letter of big is B. B is a consonant. With consonant, we write it A. I hope you will understood the concept of A or am. Thank you. Bye bye.